motovlogging after a very long break. So it's almost 2 a.m. and for the very first time we'll be starting from Bangalore. So it's a very odd time to start. The thing is that we will be going to a trek today to one of the famous treks of Bangalore, Skandagiri. So we have a slot at 4 a.m. and we just left it around 2, showing 1.5 hour of travel time and 68 kilometers. So I've been planning this trek for a very long time. The thing is, we have to book slots for this particular trek on Karnataka Ecotourism website. Luckily for tomorrow we got few slots, and yes, the trek is on. There is no traffic at the moment here. It's 2 a.m. and everyone is probably sleeping. We have this beautiful Samsung office on the right. Looks so pretty in the night. The main road is closed for some reason as metro work is going on, and condition of service road isn't that great. Okay, back to main road again. Who is joining me in this trek? So it is only me and Pawan. So only it's both of us going for a trek. So we have crossed Hebbal. We are almost on the airport road, showing another 44 kilometer and 1 hour more. Pretty probably will reach on time. Just stopped for a quick fuel break. So we're almost across Devanhalli, and ETA is okay, still 25 kilometers more. We'll be reaching by 3:30. Lovely weather. It's not cold, pleasant enough that you can ride in a normal jacket. We are in the roads of Nandi Hills, and see how haunted it is. It's like 3 a.m. in the morning. There is not a single soul here. The weather is getting cold here. It is supposed to be cold here. That's why people of Bangalore come to Nandi Hills. Anyway, Bangalore weather is anyway cold. To have a little more colder weather. At any place to have any tea or snacks from Bangalore to here, everything was closed. I don't know now whether at this trek starting point do we get anything, because we want a tea or a coffee now because it's 3 a.m. We have to start a trek at 4. It's something at least. About to reach, it's 2 kilometers left. We stopped actually for a quick tea break. It was much needed. At this weather, hot tea and Parle-G biscuit makes the magic. You don't want anything else. Actually, I see a tempo going in the front. I don't know whether it's for the trek, because I did not see anyone else on this road. They say the trek starts at 4 and all the slots were booked on checking in the morning. There are 150 slots. All were showing as booked. So we are expecting a crowd. There should be a checkpoint kind of thing where they check our passes and also our ID proofs. Oh. There's a temple kind of thing here. We have reached. Howdo? This is the trek starting point. Pawan, are you able to see anything? Yes.
No.
I have to put flashlight on my face. It's pretty dark. Okay, Pawan, let's start. Time is 4:08.
Sorry.
It's like I'm walking into darkness. It is stone. This is the way.
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಫ್ಲಾಶ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
ನಾನು ಎನಿಸಿದೊಬ್ಬರು ಗೈಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರಂತ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಿಡಬೇಕಂತ.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 4 ಇಂದ 8 ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಹೌದು. ತಲೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ ನನಗೆ. Okay, the water has stopped. Just climbing few steps of rocks. Okay. Almost 50 minutes into the trek. You can see this is basically the mist flowing. Visibility is very less. It's almost 4:55. About to reach the top. The time is 5:35. Still there is lot of mist. Cannot literally see anything. I don't know what is visible in the camera as well. It is completely dark. Okay. Time to move down. There is no view here. Literally no view. This is the way which we came. There was zero visibility in the morning. Pawan is guiding the way back home. Like steps, I never got to when we climbed all these things in the morning and came. Climbing down is very easy as Pawan is doing demo. Now we have to climb in the morning. Looking down is so easy. Okay. Done. Oh, this is what it looks once the clouds appear. Done and dusted.